Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon Petiti and you guys can call me Sha. If it's your first time here, hello, and you are definitely welcome. So today I'm going to review a package that I received a while back. It's by Mieke Lashes. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'll leave the company's details on in the description box. I'll also put a lot of their details along the video as well. So Mieke Lashes were kind enough to send me this package. It's eyelashes that are magnetic. They sent me the style, which is called Boss Babe. They also sent me this glue, which is magnetic, and they were also kind enough to send me this guidelines. So I don't know if they send guidelines to you guys who want to buy, but I believe that this is on their website. I'll just confirm with them and I'll leave it in the description box. Basically, this is why you need to get magnetic lashes. And for me, I'm someone who has curly lashes. I struggle a lot with lashes in general. So apparently this is supposed to make your life easy. But let's start putting them on and then I'll confirm with you if it makes life easy or not. This is the lash that they sent me. I love the style. It's even out. It's not like a cat eye, but it's just even. So I've already read everything on that, and they said that if this lash is too long, like it's too wide for you, you can cut it to avoid the glue from not sticking, and apparently it will poke you. I just saw some videos online. So I have like a very wide eye. I think I wouldn't have to cut this in any way. There's no need for me to cut it. So the instructions said that you need to put this glue as an eyeliner, which is another yes for me, because putting eyeliner on top of eyeshadow or glitter and then putting glue on top is a mix that I do not like at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to open it and I will remove the excess, because if I take too much and I don't know how the applicator works, you might find that I am putting a lot on unnecessary places, and you know how smudgy glue can be. I don't want to go there. So I have a mirror down here. When you see me facing down, just know that I'm looking at a mirror. So to check the consistency, I'm just going to look down and I'm going to put this in the middle there. Okay, the applicator is smooth, it's not that stiff. I'm just going to push my brows down. Then I'm just going to pull here so that I can get the inner corner properly. I'm going to put a little bit more here because I hate it when a lash is poking me or it's not holding or it's just on the air. I just don't like it. So I don't know how this is going to work because I now have this glue on my natural eyelashes. I am going to use it as a cat eye as well. I'm just gonna wait for a minute or two, and they did mention on that on the instruction paper that sometimes it will take a little bit longer depending probably on the humidity or the temperature of where you are. So I have a fan. It comes to the rescue all the time, and I'm just gonna put it there just to speed up the process. If you touch it and it's still transferring or it's not tacky, do not put the eyelash. This lash has like pieces of magnets on them. Let me just show you. It has like magnets all over. If you're going to cut this, make sure that you don't cut in between the magnet, like on the magnet directly. Just make sure that you cut on the sides of the magnet or something, because it might affect the magnetivity, if that's a word. So let's touch it again. It's still transferring, so I'm in the heat. While we wait for this one, I'll just do the other eye and we wait. Unfortunately guys, I'm gonna have to continue with this setting. I just changed my settings because I didn't like how this video was appearing, but I believe now I'm close. I'm very close. I am going to start with putting this one that we started with, and I'm going to try and use a tweezer. I don't normally use tweezers, but for the sake of this video I am going to try and use a tweezer to show you guys what I do, and then push everything. I think I can feel them trying to hold push everything down. Well, okay, I love the lash style for starters, and I don't know how this thing is holding, but it is. It's holding. Let me come close. I want you guys to see this. There is no mascara at all on this eye, so you are going to sort of like see my eyeshadow on the eyelashes, and you will be able to see them. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my mascara on my natural lashes only. I just feel like mascara sometimes on falsies doesn't look nice, so I'm just trying to make them dark and look like this eyelash. Oh my gosh. Okay, this was not that bad. So I'm going to put mascara on this eye, just so I try to make them look as close as possible to the falsies. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how this style looks on me. I'm gonna do the same thing. Let me use this first. I want you guys to see this. So immediately when I bring it close, it sort of like holds it. It does the job for you, if you get what I mean. I'm just going to push it. I'm gonna lift it, and the good thing about this is that it's not smudging. It's not smudging at all. Wow. I just want to put it a little bit closer to pushing it doesn't smudge anything. Wow. But I think that if your glue is not dry and you're trying to push it around just to see if it's sitting properly, you are going to have a problem. Just like that. Just like that. And these lashes are on me. This is easy. Mieke lashes. Wow, I am blown away. Anyways, I'm going to read to you guys about how these lashes work, because now I think I have an idea of how these things work. So I'm gonna tell you about these lashes, right? They are so this page says that why choose magnetic lashes. I am going to review for you guys what they say and what I am actually experiencing. So the first one says it's convenience, it saves time and money. Apply your lashes under 5 minutes, no glue, no fun. Guys, if I would say that because it saves your time in terms of struggling to put. Honestly, it saves your time, because the magnet on the glue and the magnet on the lash, they sort of like find each other, and then voila, you have a lash. So honestly, it saves you time. And in terms of money, I don't know how long this glue will last you for. And while we are on that, the lash kit is $729. I'll put the price here and where you can find it. You can find it from Takealot or on their website, which I will put everything in the description box, and I'll also put the link to Takealot on the description box. So the second one is that it's reusable if properly cared for. Mieke lashes can last up to 30 wears. We recommend you use our lash tweezers for careful handling. They say that it's 30 uses, so I'll try also to use them as many times as I can, and I will note that down until I know that I'm on 30 or I didn't get there. I don't have the tweezers, but I believe that the tweezers will help you in terms of cleaning the glue that is on those little magnets, because obviously if the magnet is covered, if the entire magnet is covered with glue, it's not going to work on the other magnet. And I don't know if this glue dries up. I'm not sure. You know how glues dry up over time. I don't know how many mils this glue is, but it looks big. Number 3, unique magnetic formulation. Our eyeliner has been formulated for extreme hold, ensuring your lash will remain in place for as long as you need them to. I struggle with inner corners. Some people struggle with outer corners. My inner corner usually lifts, but with this one, because the magnet is at the end of the inner corner, it grips the glue. Like there's nothing lifting here, there's nothing absolutely nothing. I don't know if it's the shape of my eye. The fourth one is it's cruelty free and it's vegan. Mieke lashes are made from premium synthetic silk, which means that they're cruelty free and suitable for vegans. So if you are against animal cruelty and everything, girl, this one is for you. Oh my gosh, I look so beautiful in those lashes. Oh my gosh. And you know what's amazing me about this is the fact that you do not have to have 3 products in one place. Imagine if not even 3, 5 products in one place. Let me tell you about this. If you're going to do a proper face bed, right, you are going to have your primer, your eye primer. Forget about foundation. If you have foundation, we're going to start at foundation. You have foundation on your eye, you're going to put concealer or primer to prep for eyeshadow. You're going to have eyeshadow, and if it's smoky, you are going to have a lot of eyeshadow on your eye. You are going to have a liner, which is the fourth thing, and after that you are going to have your glue and then your lash. So you have 6 products and you expect liner, and if you have glitter if you have glitter, it's 7. So I honestly recommend these lashes for ladies that are struggling to put false lashes. Definitely try magnetic lashes. They will save your time, they will save your money. I'm gonna talk about cleaning. I've already told you about the application part, so I'm gonna tell you guys about cleaning. It says that it's best to use a water-based makeup remover to clean your lashes, but you can carefully remove any residual eyeliner from the lash magnet using a cotton bud soaked in a little cleaning oil. Well, I don't know what little cleaning oil is, but again they say that in bold, avoid getting cleaning oil on the lash. Okay, that I understand. If you get too many oils on the fluffy part of the lash, you are going to have a lash that is out of shape. You might find that three human hairs, like they are attaching to one another, and then it distracts or it kills the shape of or the style of the lash. The other one is just troubleshooting the tricks, but I've already told you about everything. Not to cut them on the magnet, and also not to not to put the lash when the glue is not tacking. So if you guys have any questions and you're going to buy this lashes, or after you buy the lashes, please feel welcome to drop the questions below. I will answer them. I think I will try to show you guys how I remove the lashes if this setup is still like this, but if I go out and come back late, unfortunately I won't be able to. I will just write it down in the description box how I removed them and how the feel was. But to be honest, this feels so easy. It feels so easy. I'm just going to attach the, oh my gosh, where have these lashes been though? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is after 3 or 4 hours ever since I wore the lashes, and they're still holding. Like, there's nothing. My inner corner is still holding as well. So because I love you so much and you guys are the bomb, I am going to remove these lashes with you. And the instructions here say that to remove the lashes, gently pull them away from the eyeliner to break the magnetic bond. So we're talking about bonds now, we're talking about sides. Okay, I'm gonna start with the inner corner, and it's out. I just want to show you the residue of the glue on the lash. Do you see that? I keep my lashes safe. I always put them back in. This packaging also has like something here to hold them, so I'm just going to, and it's actually a magnet, I think, because they're holding. See, there's no fallout. It's not falling at all. Just look at that. It's not falling. So just make sure you take them back in there and keep them safe. I'm gonna hold, let me come close. So I'm gonna hold here like that, and just, so when I'm pulling it out, I can literally feel the magnets, where the magnets are. Like, that's it. Unfortunately, I won't show you guys how I am going to wash off my face to wash this glue off, but I will leave the details in the description box if the glue gave me any problems, or the magnet or the lashes or anything at all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you purchase the lashes and you love them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.